Bolero, sabay-sabay niyo po akong palakpakan. At Yuan, Miss Heart Evangelista. Heart Evangelista, ang nagsasabi, if you haven't, show it ng mga tayo sila sa inggit. I always believe, if you want to be loved, learn how to love. If you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Believe me, ladies and gentlemen. I have always believed that a beauty without a brain is like a fish without a beak, a pearl without a shell, like a body without a soul. So for that, what is beauty if your brain is empty? What a spectacular evening, Barangay San Antonio de Guava Uno is standing in front of you is a fresh 15-year-old stunner. My name is China Sandaliana, all the way from San Bruno, General Trias, City of Cavite. But tonight, since this is a pageant, ma'am, sir, and to all the audience, please do allow me to use by the name. Opo, ako nga po, ang babae nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Billy Crawford. Opo, ako nga po, si Colleen Garcia. Colleen Garcia na nagsasabi, ang pamilyang sabay-sabay naglalakbay, siya pinapalayo sa inyong bahay. Thank you.
Simplicity is beauty, and being simple is truly remarkable. Well, tonight is a very wonderful moment of praise, because one of these days is will be crowned as a queen. The cutest that I will perceive all the physical aspects, my physical appearance, because the real beauty is in the inside of the heart when it comes within. Standing here in front of your eyes, it's a 21 years old young stunner hailing all the way last from San Pedro City, province of Laguna. My name is Junaira Blay Chua, that behold, beware, and demystify. Bakit hindi ho natin sabay-sabay palakpakan ng palakpakan? At naman, Miss Binibini, Andrea Brillantes. Miss Andrea Brillantes, yung nagsasabi, hindi bastos o hindi ka kumatuwa. Bagkos, kapupulutan ng aral ng bawat isa. Na ang taong nagpapakataas ay siyang na ginababa. At ang taong nagpapakababa ay siyang na tinataas. Ladies and gentlemen, always remember that we are born to be truth, but not to be perfect. Thank you and good evening.
Tonight is not a competition, but a celebration of our country's modern centenary. We are here to promote our advocacy. My advocacy is all about saving our modern nature. How heal the earth, heal ourselves. Pagsama-samahin natin ang ating lakas upang ang kalikasan ay maging
Kaanong ilan? Sex ng karamihan. Tatapatan, papabantayan, at higit sa lahat, higitan ng taong nasa inyong harapan. Naniniwala ako na hindi lahat ng ahas may kita sa gubat. Yung iba, kinakaibigan ko pa. Hep, hep! Hooray! po, ngunit ngayon ko lamang po napagtanto na ang mga tao po pala sa San Antonio de Padua Uno ay pawang. Uto. Joke lamang po. Diyos marahay na banggi sa Indogabos. Or should I say a pleasant good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and to those who are in between, especially to our beautiful panel board of judges. A girl was naked in your eye is a fresh, and indeed an innocent 24 years of age is stunner. By the way, my real name is R.B. Concepcion, who truly all the way from the fascinating, all the way from the marching band capital of the Philippines, Bacoor City, province of Cavite. But tonight, this is a competition. I would just like to share some of my triumph. Yes, I am a product of Miss Q&A Queen of the Multibanks, held September 16, 2022. And yes, I am one of the official candidates of the Reina ng Turismo Cavite 2025, representing my beloved hometown, Bacoor City, province of Cavite. Yes, and indeed, I am a proud sister way back my college year. Indeed, ladies and gentlemen, please do allow me to carry the image of your one and the only Miss Universe 2022, your Filipino-American. Please do welcome Miss Arbany Nola Gabriel. Palakpakan naman po dyan. Na nag-iiwan po ng isang kanta. Napakaraming doktor dito sa atin, ngunit bakit tila walang natira? Nag-abroad sila. Napakaraming pogi dito sa inyo, ngunit bakit tila walang natira? Bakuna na rin sila. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Again, I'm proud to represent from the marching band capital of the Philippines, Bacoor City, province of Cavite, Jos Mabalos.
Give a man a fish and he will live for a day. But teach a man how to fish, then he will live forever. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kristen Benabe. I'm 24 years old, all the way from Las Piñas City, Metro Manila. But tonight, do allow me to stand by the name of your one and only fashion icon girl, ang babaeng nagpalibog po ni Mr. Keith Escudero. Opo, ako nga po, your winsome girl, Miss Heart Evangelista. Heart Evangelista na nag-iwan po ng isang katagang hindi po masamang maging bakla sa mata ng tao at mata ng Diyos kung hindi ka gagawa ng sarili mong ikasasama. Thank you.